Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency bank. Now, that's a fairly new concept in the crypto world, and there are many reasons why cryptocurrency banks are useful. There aren't too many of them in the world. So there are probably two or three of them. There is a bank called United Bank, and there is a bank called Cashaa. So I'm going to talk about Cashaa today. And this particular Cashaa has actually tied up with United Bank, and they're offering a service in the Indian market. And today's topic is essentially going to talk about that particular entry, which is going to happen mid of next month in August. So we will talk about this, and it's an interesting development and a great opportunity for the crypto investors in India. And I'll tell you why the opportunities are phenomenal for those crypto investors. So before we dive in, my usual request, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Also, please comment on my videos, because unless you comment, I will not know what kind of topics interest you, so that I could do more research and give you more information on those topics. And also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my analysis, and from these videos that I create and upload on YouTube. So without much ado, let's dive in. So first, let's figure out how can Cashaa help the crypto industry. So that is very, very important. First point, large transactions can only be processed through a major bank. So be it crypto or be it non-crypto, the traditional transactions, they have to pass through a major bank in any country. So now that is kind of you could say an advantage. At the same time, it is also kind of an obstacle, especially when crypto promises to be a decentralized protocol. But all major banks do not allow crypto transactions, which is very, very true. And there will be more. I mean, there's the cryptos. Many cryptos are struggling with the restrictions that the banks and the regulatory bank in every country is trying to put in. Cashaa is expected to help investors and exchanges tide over this current banking problems that they are facing. So that's the niche area that Cashaa has managed to figure out, and quite rightfully so. And that's where it wants to, position itself. Cashaa will be delivering personal account services so that personal traders can do P2P trading. Interesting, isn't it? Cashaa CEO Kumar Gaurav said cryptocurrency traders will be able to transact without fear of their bank accounts being frozen. That's pretty much what has been happening, in many countries when traders go on to use fiat currency from their savings account to purchase or transact in crypto. Apart from personal accounts, Cashaa will also offer debit cards, loans against cryptocurrencies, as well as loans for buying cryptocurrencies. So that has never happened before. Cashaa permits services for both crypto and fiat monetary form from a single savings account. So it makes the interchangeability very, very easy and smooth, because on its own, it's a crypto bank. Cashaa hopes that banks and cryptocurrency can finally work together. We hope so too. So now let's look at how does Cashaa intend to operate in India. First, Cashaa is already in discussion with domestic cryptocurrency exchanges and has plans to acquire 5 million customers. Cashaa is working in association with the United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society to introduce crypto bank joint venture UNICAS, which is with United Bank and Cashaa, UNICAS crypto bank that permits users to transact in cryptocurrency and fiat from one account. While the online services of UNICAS have effectively gone live, more than 14 physical branches will be launched in 2021 across NCR, which is the National Capital Region, which is around the national capital New Delhi, and the state of Rajasthan and the state of Gujarat. So that's the plan. Cashaa is currently banking on its beta platform over 200 crypto businesses, including Nexo, Hobby, CoinDCX is a Indian company, and UnoCoin. So it's banking on all these Indian currencies, to actually launch and get the beta platform going. Cashaa is set to start operations in India from August, actually mid of August. Operations will begin in New Delhi, in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan, with plans to grow to the states of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal steadily. So it's got its expansion plan in place. Cashaa has sought a requisite permission from Reserve Bank of India, which is the governing bank of India, and it will follow all KYC, Know Your Customer norms, as followed by any other regular bank in India. Cashaa intends to push forward with the aim of Digital India initiative of the government of India. So rightfully, it's a great push to the Digital India initiative from the current government in India. So now let's look at what are the investors, the Indian investors, could do. What does all this mean to the Indian investors, the crypto investors in India? First, mass adoption of crypto investment in India. So that's likely to happen. It's already there. It's already growing, but it's also likely to grow even further with the crypto bank in place. Easy and smoother process of two-way transfer of crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto in India. RBI, Reserve Bank of India regulation and oversight will make crypto investment less risky, which is a great plus for the crypto industry anywhere in the world, especially in this case for India. In banking, UNICAS Crypto Bank will provide data, direction on the level of convenience and security that blockchain technology offers. So which is a great plus. Greater transparency and closer watch on investors and crypto companies, as well as platforms, exchanges, and even the crypto banks. So again, it's more on the oversight, there's transparency, sharing of relevant data, and all of that will come through, just like what happens with a regular bank and the regulatory process in India. And the last, greater adoption of new advances and innovative inventive approaches for investors in the tier 1 and tier 2 cities in India. So all in all, it's going to, they have serious plans to go deep into the Indian countryside to offer this particular cryptocurrency bank to the entire world, so to the entire country. So which is a great opportunity for all crypto investors in India. On, on the crypto, how the crypto market is growing in India, and it's also been, quite a few cryptos have been very, very successful. So I'll put the link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. You will see that there is a lot of opportunity in the Indian market. And to summarize, the whole concept of cryptocurrency bank is a great new beginning to the crypto industry growth in India. Although there are restrictions and reservations, the government of India is formulating the required regulatory oversight, and Indian government is also coming up with a digital currency, so digital rupees, so Indian rupees. So that is also will eventually augment with the overall crypto policy that the government of India would have or has in mind or actually developing for the future. So it's a great, great positive news for the crypto investors in India. So, as you know, I have a free ebook for you on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this book, I've spoken about time when I quit my job back in 2010. That was a corporate job, six-figure globe-trotting corporate job, and how I managed to set up my business and then grow the business. So what are the challenges I faced and how I overcame those challenges. Today I have companies in Singapore and India and representations in the US. So this book will tell you all about that. This book also has 3 worksheets to try and gauge your mind to becoming a successful entrepreneur. You could score yourself and see where you stand. The cool thing is I scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would see how much I scored. You would find this ebook on my website, the link to which is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. Go take a look at it. You would have to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be emailed to your inbox. Let me know how your comments on the book. And finally, thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Please go ahead and connect with me. I work with clients to look for solutions to challenges that they face in their business, marketing, technology, and innovation, and investment. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant for your company or startup, please drop me a line on LinkedIn message, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website, whose URL will be in the description box below. And then we'll get into a conference call and see how we can work together. So before I go, final message to you: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So until the next time, please stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.